Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see one past paper question based on vectors for year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Vectors. Relative to an origin O, the position vector of the points A, B, C and D are OA is equal to 6 minus 5, OB is equal to 10, 3, OC, X, Y, OD, 12, 7. Find the unit vector in the direction of AB. I need to find out the unit vector. Unit vector is written as the vector over its magnitude. This shows you that the unit vector AB will be written as the vector AB over its magnitude AB. I need to find out the vector AB first. The vector AB will be written as OB minus of OA in the form of position vector form. This will be written as OB is 10, 3, minus of OA is 6 minus 5. I need to subtract the vectors. This will be written as 10 minus 6, 3 minus of minus 5, which will be equal to 10 minus 6, 3 plus 5, which will be equal to 4, 8. My vector AB is 4, 8. I need to find out the magnitude of AB. Magnitude will be written as root of 4 square plus 8 square, x square plus y square, which will be equal to root of 16 plus 64. That will be equal to root of 80. I need to write down the unit vector. Unit vector will be written as 1 over magnitude and the vector. My vector is 4, 8. That will be your answer for the first part. Let's see the second part here. The point A is the midpoint of BC. Find the value for X and Y. The point B and C. This is your B, this is your C. A is the midpoint of B and C. What is the coordinates of A? OA is 6 minus 5. C is X and Y. B is 10 and 3. I need to apply the midpoint formula to get the answer for X and Y. By the midpoint formula, we can say that the midpoint, which is 6 and minus 5, that will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That will be 10 plus x by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. That will be 3 plus y by 2. I can equate I and j vectors separately here. 10 plus x by 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 5. I need to solve it for x and y here. 10 plus x is equal to 12. Move this on right hand side. X is equal to 12 minus 10. This gives you that x is equal to 2. That will be the value for x. 3 plus y is equal to minus 10. Move this on right hand side. Y is equal to minus 10 minus 3. This gives you that y is equal to minus 13. That will be your answer for y. So the vector OC will be written as 2 minus 13. That will be the answer here. Let's see the next part here. The point E lies on OD such that OE is to OD is equal to 1 is to 1 plus lambda. Find the value for lambda such that BE is parallel to the x-axis. These are our vectors for OD and OB here. E lies on OD. Let's write down OD here first. So if this is your O and this is your point D here, the point E is somewhere here. E lies on OD such that OE is the one part, OD, this complete part, is 1 plus lambda. I need to find out the value for lambda such that BE is parallel to x-axis. This is my x-axis. Point B is somewhere on this side, so that BE is parallel to x-axis. I need to write down the vector BE first. The vector BE is written as OE minus of OB. What is my OE vector? My OE vector is one part out of OD. That will be 1 over 1 plus lambda of OD. This is my vector OE minus of OB. OB is 10, 3. What is my OD vector? 1 over 1 plus lambda. My OD vector is 12, 7. minus of 10, 3. I need to solve that little bit. If I multiply that, that will be 12 over 1 plus lambda, 7 over 1 plus lambda. If I multiply 1 over 1 plus lambda inside my vector, minus of 10, 3. This will be written as 12 over 1 plus lambda minus 10, 7 over 1 plus lambda minus 3. This is your vector BE. He says that BE is parallel to x-axis. When it is parallel to x-axis, the coordinate of y vector is 0. What is my y vector here? My y vector is 7 over 1 plus lambda minus 3. This is my y vector. This should be equal to 0. Let's substitute 7 over 1 plus lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. 7 over 1 plus lambda is equal to 3. Move this on right hand side. Do the cross multiplication on right hand side. 7 is equal to 3 times of 1 plus lambda. 7 is equal to 3 plus 3 lambda. 3 lambda is equal to 7 minus 3. Lambda is equal to 7 minus 3 over 3. My lambda value is 4 by 3. That will be my answer for lambda. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.